Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are just hanging out in the elevator, so that's what's going on, you guys. Guys, so right now, you guys, we're cooking waffles in the hotel, so that's what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. What kind of sandwich?
Hello, sandwich.
Is it good?
Hello, sandwich.
Silas, what are you doing?
Oh, thanks. Am I just
Are you butt scooching?
Oh, you don't want the crust. Here.
Are you getting butt scooch? Guys, Grace and me are gonna go swimming, so that's what's going on. You okay?
Yeah.
So that's what's going on, guys.
We got elevator inside elevator.
Inside the elevator?
Yeah.
Are you swimming, Grace?
Yeah.
Grace, go in and get a picture.
Say cheese.
Oh, you're smiling. I got a recording. Grace is refusing to take a picture. Do you want me to come in the water now?
Yeah, Mom.
So Silas does like the water. Whee! Woohoo! Hi!
Do you want it?
No, don't do that to him yet.
You blow on the face and then...
Say, Grace, what are we doing right now?
We're going this one.
Say, this is the warm hot tub. Say, I'm only allowed to put my toes in.
And my cousin.
Say, and then we have to go and have lunch. Are you having fun at the hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go home today? No. Well.
We are packing up because the first base tomorrow morning, so I'm just heading there. I have a route this afternoon, and then I'm just heading home, so it's kind of weird that I'm not staying the whole week, but that's okay. Sometimes things happen, you guys, and we can't control things, so that's what's going on, you guys. I'm packing the vehicle. Hey guys, I'm getting today's video. We are not staying in the hotel this tomorrow Friday. That's what's going on. So I hope you guys will listen to that. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.